Welcome to the uEmpower podcast, where we get into the nuts and bolts of AI, robotics, and quantum computing. And today we're diving into some rather groundbreaking updates.
Absolutely. It's like we're on the brink of a new tech era here, right?
Right, so starting off, NVIDIA is storming the stage with their upcoming GTC conference from March 17 to 21 in San Jose, California. And they've got CEO Jensen Huang, along with over 2,000 speakers, all ready to showcase the next wave of AI innovations, spanning over 1,000 detailed sessions.
I mean, that's a behemoth of a conference, and it really shows how fast this AI field is evolving.
Totally. It's like they're not just tinkering with new gadgets. They're redefining how artificial intelligence is perceived across industries, pushing boundaries in every sector imaginable.
For sure. And speaking of boundaries, quantum computing has taken a giant leap as well. I mean, have you heard about Amazon Web Services' new chip, Ocelot?
Yes, absolutely. The Ocelot chip is kind of a game changer. It attempts to deal with those pesky quantum errors using cat qubits to reduce errors by up to 90%.
Whoa, that's a serious improvement.
Yeah.
Especially considering how challenging quantum error correction and scalability have been historically.
Exactly, and it's like this prototype is Amazon's way of stepping up to other tech giants like Google and Microsoft in the quantum race, which is pretty exciting to see.
Speaking of Google, they've been making some unrealistic breakthroughs. In a good way, their latest quantum processor, Willow, is making waves with its 105 qubit power.
Right you are. Willow's ability to perform insanely complex computations in just 5 minutes is almost like something out of sci-fi, especially when you realize that doing the same on current supercomputers would take an unfathomable 10 septillion years.
I mean, that's just mind-blowing. It's a monumental leap in what we thought was possible.
Indeed, and then we have Microsoft throwing its hat into the ring with the Majorana 1 chip, which uses a new state of matter to enhance stability in quantum computing.
Yeah, and that chip isn't just about speed, but reliability too, paving the way for more scalable systems in areas like cryptography and materials science.
You know, it's really fascinating watching these tech giants, NVIDIA, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, push the envelope. It almost feels like a high-stakes race to revolutionize the computational landscape.
Absolutely, though I have to wonder, isn't it a bit overhyped? I mean, sometimes these breakthroughs seem a tad optimistic when it comes to solving everyday issues.
Yeah, I get that skepticism, and it's a fair point. However, the integration itself of these quantum advancements with AI is not just cosmetic, it's setting the stage for new paradigms in how we approach complex computations and problem solving in real-world applications.
True, and that convergence of AI and quantum computing and robotics is another area buzzing with potential. Imagine robots that can adapt and think almost like we do.
Exactly. When you combine all these innovations, it opens the door to robotics that can perform tasks with precision and adaptability, previously thought to be human-only territories, whether it's in manufacturing or healthcare.
It's like watching your favorite sci-fi movie, but in real life, these robots could soon be out there, improving efficiency and maybe even saving lives.
Yeah, and consider this. By integrating tailored AI environments with advanced quantum processors, we're looking at systems that can learn and evolve in ways that mimic or possibly surpass human intelligence for niche tasks. It's quite a leap forward.
But here's a thought. Don't you think there's a risk in over-relying on these nascent technologies without fully understanding their limitations?
Yeah, that's a valid critique. There certainly are challenges ahead, like ensuring robustness and ethical considerations in AI decisions. It's like constructing a building with materials that are still being perfected.
Precisely. A well-designed blueprint is crucial. But if the construction materials, or in this case technologies, have hidden flaws, it could lead to significant risks down the road, though the promise is undeniably huge.
Right, and it's about finding that balance, harnessing the potential of these technologies while vigilantly addressing their limitations as they evolve, ensuring that advancements translate to tangible benefits in the real world.
Absolutely, and that's why events like the GTC and the unveiling of these quantum chips are so critical. They serve as both a showcase and a checkpoint for the trajectory of innovation. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, For sure, it's like every session and keynote is a piece of a larger puzzle. They're collectively painting the picture of the future where intelligence, both artificial and human, might converge in unexpected ways.
And that convergence is not just theoretical, it's already
Yeah.
forming the backbone of advancements in robotics, where precision, speed, and adaptability are becoming the norm.
Right. The robotics sector, now more than ever, is seeing a merger of AI algorithms with quantum enhanced computing to create robots that can learn, adapt, and maybe even reason through complex scenarios, potentially matching human expertise in very specific tasks.
It almost feels like we're gearing up for an era where these machines could operate in tandem with humans rather than just performing repetitive tasks, perhaps augmenting
Yeah.
our capabilities in ways we haven't fully imagined yet.
Exactly. And while that's an exhilarating prospect, it also raises questions about how we integrate these systems responsibly.
Seriously, it's a bit like handing over the keys to a super advanced car without a complete manual. We have to
Yeah.
consider the ethical implications and maintain rigorous oversight.
Right on. And that's where continuous research and transparent dialogue become essential, ensuring that the rapid technological evolution benefits society broadly without compromising safety or ethics.
I mean, it's a balancing act, innovation versus responsibility. But when done right, the impact could be transformative for multiple sectors.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's like navigating uncharted waters with a powerful new map, one that's constantly being updated as breakthroughs in AI, robotics, and quantum computing inform each other.
That's a neat analogy. Like every new chip or robotic interface is a landmark on our journey to the future,
Yeah,
guiding us through previously unknown territories.
totally. And as today's discussion shows, the blend of these advanced technologies is setting the stage for major shifts across global markets, from optimizing complex systems to pioneering innovations in everyday life.
And while we're excited about these revolutionary strides, it's important to keep questioning and challenging these advancements to steer them in the right direction, ensuring we all
Yeah.
benefit from this tech driven future.
Exactly, it's a dynamic and iterative process, one that invites experts and enthusiasts alike to continuously refine our understanding and application of these technologies.
Well, it's been a fascinating ride through the latest in AI, robotics, and quantum computing today, and I'm looking forward to seeing how these developments shape our world moving forward.